Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we're gonna take a look at using extension methods in .NET MVC. So I will create today a short example with the total price and with the shopping cart. So we need the total price from our products in our shopping cart. So I have an entity product. Product has ID, price and name, and I have a shopping cart. I have just a list from products as like enumerable. So, and what I need is one extension method. Why this class is static? Because I don't want to modify directly something. So what we need here, we need a property, so decimal, let's say total is equal null. What we need now, we need for every product in our shopping cart, the price. Product products. So say here total is equal product is now the price. And we return sum total. And don't forget, guys, the extension methods don't let you break through the access rules that classes define for methods or fields and properties. You can extend the functionality of a class by using an extension method, but only using the class member that you had access to anyway. So let's apply this extension method in my home controller. Let's do this together. What we need a shopping cart. New shopping cart. We get the products from our context. There's empty, but okay, this is just example. What we need cart total price. Get the total price from our shopping cart. You see, guys, I can now from my shopping cart get the total prices. And this is other class. So what we need to return an index with array from strings, and let's say the value is cart total price. So I call the total price method on a shopping cart object as it were part of a shopping cart class, even though it is an extension method defined by a different class altogether. So the .NET will find the extension class if they are in the scope of the current class, meaning that they are part of the same namespaces or a namespace that is a subject of a using statement. So thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.